Salamat pagi. Greetings from the Public Services International, Southeast Asia. Let me send my solidarity greetings to the newly elected leaders of Serikat Pekerja, BPGS, Ketenaga Kerjaan for 2024-2027 term. Let me congratulate Brother Ahmad Fatahuddin, the General Chairman of Serikat Pekerja, BPGS, Ketenaga Kerjaan, and all the Pangurus, DPP, SP, BPGS, Ketenaga Kerjaan. It is commendable that your union respect the core principle of democracy by electing people that you chose to lead your organization. Some trade unions around the world are being led by the same leaders for more than 30 years without election, as if they have forgotten that the word democracy does exist. A round of applause to all the leaders and members of SP, BPGS, Ketenaga Kerjaan. Your selected team, collaborative leadership, empowering workers and advancing organization is timely and important, as we are all aware that the current labor relations framework, not only in Indonesia but around the world, are being shifted in favor of the capitalism and undermining trade union and workers' rights. It is important that every worker and every member of SP, BPGS, Ketenaga Kerjaan should be recognized and respected, as you play an important role to creating wealth and provide services for the country. The employer should not forget that without workers and unions, the symbiotic equation is incomplete and the services will not reach the beneficiaries as mandated by regulations. The world is facing aging population. Many workers will be retiring and they will need the social protection to continue with their remaining lives. It is okay for the workers who are members of the union and have strong organizations that fought for better social protection and benefit before they retire. However, there are many workers, informal workers, outsourced workers, and other types of workers who are being treated unfairly by companies whose main goal is to increase their profits by undermining workers' rights and decent work. Let us remember that without the strong workforce and strong union, there will be no quality public services. It is the solidarity among workers and the management of the company that led to what BPGS is today. Amidst the challenges that we face today, let us continue to work in solidarity and continue to find common ground with our counterpart to ensure that men and women, especially those who are marginalized, will continue to receive the services that we are providing. PSI, with our around 30 million members around the globe, will continue to stand by you, fight with you, and walk with you to ensure quality public services for the people. As unions, let us continue to strengthen our solidarity and work collectively to protect and promote workers' lives. Long live Serikat Pekerja, Ketenaga Kerjaan. Long live Trade Union. Terima kasih.